Welcome to the Dropstore reseller platform. This is a demo video which will see us go through your reseller dashboard and be able to also help you add products into your store. You would have gone through the process of signing up onto Dropstore and chosen a plan. If you have not chosen a plan, it's okay. You do get 14 days free where you can utilize drop store to see that if it works for you. So you would have gone through the process of signing up, choosing to become a reseller on Dropstore, and then you would end up on this page. Now you would end up on this page if you have not selected to actually integrate with a store, or you don't have a store at the moment. That's fine, because with Dropstore you will be able to get use the free stores, which gives you a license of 10 products, and then as your business grows you can then upgrade. You can also sign up for a Dropstore Dstore, which is an online store subscription um, that you have to customize, that you can customize yourself. There are plans that you can take to help you with customizing of your store, which you can always find under the extensions option, where you can go in and then select to actually choose one of our service plans to help you get, customize your store, as well as other marketing services that we have on Dropstore. So we'll just get started. Right. So you can also find these here, where you can choose to buy a store, um, as well as be able to choose one of our service plans that you may want to select, as I said, to help you with customization, to help you with a few other services that we provide